everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 20th of May 2022 and we're here to celebrate all those children in years 3, 4, 5 and 6 who won themselves a golden ticket. So well done to all of those children. We'll start this morning in year 3. In year 3, our golden ticket winner this week always works fantastically hard in class. She's recently impressed us with her immense efforts in English lessons. She's very proud of her work and has been very determined to demonstrate to us that she can now work independently in her writing. Although initially she found reading tricky, in year 3 she has stuck to the school target of reading 5 times a week at home and she's becoming more fluent, which is what it's all about. The presentation of her work also continues to improve alongside her excellent artwork. Everyone in year 3 agrees that this is a thoroughly deserved second golden ticket. Yes, it certainly is. Second golden ticket goes none other than Gabby out. Well done, Gabby. You absolutely superb. Massive smile on your face there. Absolutely well done. I know everyone's going to give you a really big cheer. So really well done. Well done for working so hard and keep up with that reading. It is amazing. And enjoy taking your second golden ticket home. You superstar. Well done. Mrs. Cook says this child has worked so hard this week in a whole class of her hard workers. She's really stood out. She's really stood out because they're working so hard. That whole class they really are. Her writing in particular has been creative, funny and neatly presented. Super reading and attendance as well this week. Amazing. Golden ticket goes none other than Sky. Well done, Sky. Well done indeed, Sky. You absolute superstar. Keep up that amazing work. Keep being amazing. I know you're going to be smiling today, so really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar. Well done. On to year 4, and Miss Barrett says this child is hardworking, kind and patient. They present their work beautifully in every lesson and they always read more than 5 times at home. They're a happy and friendly child who plays nicely with everyone. And they come to school with a smile on their face every day. It's no surprise that this is their second golden ticket in year 4. It really is no surprise at all. Well done to none other than Thea. Well done, Thea, you absolute superstar. There's you with your first golden ticket. Now you've got another one to match. So really well done. Look at that amazing work. You are a star worker. Really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar. Miss White says this person has just missed out on a golden ticket so many times this year. They're doing nearly all the right things, sharing the load, being kind, and lots of effort in all their work. They've worked hard to improve the areas that they need to. We've seen their confidence soar this year and they join in enthusiastic and give everything a try, which is fantastic. It says, keep being the very best you can be. Absolutely. Do. Keep being the very best you can be in everything you do. There she is. Lola. You absolute superstar, Lola. So really well done. You are a star worker. You've worked so hard to earn this golden ticket. So really well done. Enjoy taking it home with you today. You superstar. It's well deserved and well earned. On to year 5, and Miss Arthur says our golden ticket goes to someone who's worked hard over the year to improve their academic capabilities, which has seen them make some good progress. They've great creative thinking skills. This is evident in all the writing they've produced. Even if she does find something a challenge, she'll persevere and never gives up, showing a real love for learning. She can also be relied upon to read at least 5 times a week. You should be very proud of yourself. You should really be. You are a little superstar. You are. Golden ticket goes none other than Sienna. Well done, Sienna. You are an absolute superstar. Really well done. Massive cheer I know is going to be going on in class. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home today. Really well deserved. On to Miss Musselwhite. Miss Musselwhite's golden ticket this week goes to someone who has grown and developed so much this year. They come to school every day, read every day, work hard and diligently in everything they do, as well as supporting others. Not only do they support their peers, but they also help me out all the time. I don't even have to ask. They just see things that need to be done and they do them for me, which I am very grateful for. And that includes all around school as well. Talk about sharing the load. It's amazing. One of their biggest achievements here is their improvement in their confidence. They now regularly share their well thought out ideas with the class, which is appreciated. They really appreciate it. Their second golden ticket this year, they certainly do. It is. Golden ticket goes none other than, here she is, Mia. Well done, Mia, you absolute superstar. Keep being amazing. Keep sharing the load. Thank you so much for everything that you do because you are an amazing year 5. So really well done and thank you and well deserved golden ticket, you superstar. On to year 6, and Miss Percy says the golden ticket in 6JP is awarded to someone who's made brilliant progress since September. This person always puts 100% into their work and they continue to strive to do their best in everything they do. This person has hugely grown in confidence this year, something which I know will continue throughout the rest of the term and next year into high school. They're kind, polite, and everything we expect from a Year 6 pupil at Mile Cross. They should be really proud of their progress this year, which is recognised with their first golden ticket in Year 6. Certainly is. Golden ticket goes to Erica. Well done, Erica. Amazingly, really well earned golden ticket there. You have been amazing. Really worked hard for this, so really well done. I know everyone's going to be cheering wildly, so really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar. And finally, Mr. Davis is the winner of this week's golden ticket. Is a wonderful, kind-hearted individual who's always smiling and often enjoys a joke with adults and children alike. Over the past few weeks, they've worked particularly hard on their comprehension and reading test skills. Additionally, they've been able to produce fantastic writing based on our science experiment and in a leaflet to persuade people to visit Hampton Court Palace. Most impressively, though, they have showcased fantastic teamwork this week, particularly during our geography day on Tuesday and when working with Year 2s on Wednesday, supporting their peers and embracing the opportunity to work with others. This is brilliant to see and will undoubtedly help them thrive at secondary school. It really will. Golden ticket goes to Logan. There he is. Well done, Logan. Yeah, massive smile. You're making me smile just there, but well done. I'm so chuffed. Massive cheer, I know. Everyone's going to be so proud of you. Well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. It's really well deserved, Logan. You absolute superstar. Thank you and well done. Well done, everyone. Well done to all of you who've earned yourselves a golden ticket this week. There's just one more week to go until we break up for half term. So next week is our last golden ticket until we have a break for half term where we have a week off. But thank you as well. A massive thank you to everyone in school. Thank you so much. Throughout these past 2 weeks, we've had our Year 6s sitting their sets. We've had our Year 2s sitting their sets. So thank you to every single one of you throughout and around school. And thank you for all the parents as well for making sure your children in to complete those sats. So really well done to all of you. And thank you to all of you. If it wasn't you this week, don't worry, give it a go next week. Who knows, it could be you. Copy those children who've won the golden ticket today. And who knows, next week, it could be you. Until then, everyone, have a great weekend. Bye-bye now.